hot sauce. Caution, extra hot. Sounds good to me.
What in the living heck is going on here? I'm losing!